MIL-SPEC Monkey here with the bonus design interview here with Camelbak. Let's say I started off as a designer myself. I was wondering why you went with a tall method for your main water bottle.
The reason why we went with a taller, thinner shape was in terms of gripability versus a short, wide bottle. It makes it much easier for wide variety of hand shapes or lengths to grip the bottle. In addition, in hot weather in particular, bottles condensate, which make them slippery, so a thinner, narrow design makes it easier to grip than a traditional short, wide bottle.
I guess although it adds more height, it's a nice attachment point.
That it does,
so kind of plus minus. And so what about the hygiene features of your military series?
Sure, in terms of bite valve hygiene in the field, one of the major features that we've added to the product over the years is a bite valve cover. The key point being when you're not drinking in the field, you have an easy tethered cover that you can pop securely over the bite valve, and even if it gets dragged through muck, etc., when crawling down on the ground in the field, it's going to keep the bite valve clean and hygienic. Recommend that to drink, you do use your hand rather than your teeth to pop the cover off in order to keep your mouth clean before drinking through the self-sealing bite valve.
I've heard that being a problem is, although it's quicker, you gotta remember all that muck is on the end, so be sure and use it how it's actually designed, and don't be a cheater and get a nice case of diarrhea in the pants. So.
We also use medical grade silicone for all our self-sealing products. So in terms of the quality of the silicone and its hygienic properties, it has been tested extensively and it works very well in the field.
Great. Maybe give us some bonus tips on the best way to clean, like say a civilian. What would be a great civilian route to clean your Camelbak hydration system?
Sure. One of the easy consumer tips we give all the time about hydration systems is that when you finish use, you always need to drain it. So simply drain it so it is relatively dry and drained clean of whatever beverage you were using in activity. But then in a civilian environment, a real easy way to maintain your Camelbak is using your freezer. If you roll up your Camelbak, toss it in the freezer. Freezers are set at temperatures at such that the vast majority of any bacteria can't grow, so it's an easy way to maintain your Camelbak and without fearing for growth of any sort of bacteria, bugs, etc. When you're in the field, different story. Obviously, you may not have access to a freezer or refrigeration. And the way we recommend in terms of ease of cleaning are Camelbak cleaning tablets. They're self-dissolving effervescent tablets that are very simple to use. You drop one tablet in per liter of water, let it dissolve and stand for 5 minutes, drain the reservoir, rinse it one more time, and your reservoir is completely cleaned and sanitized. So a very easy and low maintenance way to maintain your reservoir in the field.
I guess if somebody's totally out of tablets, is the main thing just getting it dry?
The main thing is to drain it completely, rinse it if you can, and absolutely open it up and dry it.
Understood. Thanks again for your extra time.
You're welcome.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.